Otis the tuk-tuk loved zooming through the busy streets. His bright red paint gleamed in the morning sunlight. One day, he felt his front wheel wobbling. "Oh no, I can't drive like this," he worried. He stopped near a fruit stand, looking for help. "Maybe I just need to rest," he thought. But when he moved again, the wobble got worse. "I must fix it," Otis decided, rolling down the road. He passed by the bustling market, looking for answers. The wheel clunked and bumped. Something wasn't right. He tried moving slower, but the wobble stayed. "I'll visit the repair shop," Otis thought hopefully. The mechanic looked at him and nodded wisely. "Ah, you have a loose bolt," he said, smiling. With a few turns of a wrench, the wheel was tight. Otis spun his wheels, feeling strong and steady again. "Thank you," he cheered, ready to zoom once more. He raced through the market, feeling like himself again. No more wobbles. Otis giggled as he turned corners. Fixing problems makes the ride even smoother. He learned that asking for help makes things easier. Otis never ignored a problem again. He fixed them fast. He zoomed into the sunset, happy and ready for more rides. And from that day, he helped others fix their wobbles too.